culmination of all the workshops that Paula and Julia have been doing with Raynham Primary School. So they've been on a creative exploration of the canal. And what you can see in this room is an exhibition of the children's work, where they made persuasive posters to encourage people to come to the canal. And also they've been working with Julia and Paula to design a sculpture inspired by their own creative response to the canal, so what really stood out for them. It's been a really interesting, brilliant journey for them, because in their designs they've thought about scale and material and size and location. And then they did a tour around Building Bloqs workshop to understand how you could make a sculpture, so what machines you would need to use, what tools you would need to use, what expertise you would need to make this design become real. And so today they were able to visit Building Bloqs' new space and see the sculpture, which is currently being constructed but is almost finished, so large scale. So I think it's just really important for them to know you have an idea, and it's an idea that begins in your head and in your imagination, and then you put that on paper, you make that into a drawing or a design, and then it becomes this 3D work.
Slow down, very good, slow down. Another one. You've done that before. Are you a professional builder?
Who enjoys drawing?
Me!
Fantastic, okay. So what we're going to do today is we're going to design a poster to encourage people to come here, to come to Building Bloqs. Think about the colours that you want to use. So what sort of colours would you use when you're coming to a space like this?
Black.
You could use black. What makes you think about using black?
Because the window is a bit black.
That's right, good idea. And when you outline things that are coloured in black, it really makes that colour stand out, and that will make your poster look really strong. So great idea.
I'll tell you.
And I like the fact that you've done the PP as well. It's a good logo you've done there. We have all you need. We can help you. Great. So this one's going to stay here. And this is going to be a poster to advertise Bloqs for anyone who comes in. So, great job.
Yeah, he told me that he got to draw some pictures, and he showed me his design that I think is going to be on part of the boat when it's unveiled. And he was just really excited about it, and so we came today, and him and his sister got to draw like beautiful pictures, and they were able to put it up on the gallery, and they really had a lot of fun doing it. Yeah. I do live local, but I've never really come down here, so I think we will start making a point of coming down and just even watching the boats go by and explore the nature trails. And the fact that the children within the community are able to do something and it's in the community, it kind of makes them feel like it's theirs and they're part of the community. So I think that's really good.
I like doing art because it makes me happy and it makes me proud when I do things that I like and others like. It makes me want to do more stuff like that.
Yeah, I feel proud as well. It was a good moment when I saw the actual boat made out of wood, because I wasn't expecting like that kind of bigger structure. It helps young children to show their talent, because sometimes it's not just academic, but this shows you how versatile they can be, because it allows them to express themselves.
I mean, the energy of the children and their enthusiasm to just really get stuck in and get involved is awesome.
It's really made me appreciate our individual strengths and that creativity is a glue that binds us all together.
So when they see that massive bone sculpture bench out there, they'll know that they've had a hand in it in more ways than one. Today was amazing, and to see the different generations together. Some of the parents joined in and really enjoyed it.
For me, it's the highlight seeing so many parents here, and that's kind of what we wanted to do. We wanted to start with the schools and engage them, but then use the schools as a gateway into the wider community to get more parents in the wider community involved in the canal, engage with the canal as a green space, but also to think about it as a space where they can socialise and have community events and enjoy things collectively.
How you can bring so many people together around a table like that, over one shared activity, and I don't know, it's just a nice energy, isn't it?
Doodling is fun can draw anything I want.